Hi guys, I'm back with another bracelet making video. This is going to be a quick, very easy stretch bracelet. Oh, that's a tongue twister there. Using chain. So we're going to do half chain and half pearls on elastic cord. So let's get started. What I'm going to do is I'm going to thread the pearls first. This is going to be 7 centimeters long. It's a very classy design. Pearls, you know, always makes your outfit look very elegant and classy. So you can never go wrong with some pearls. I'm using 0.5 millimeter. Let's see here. It's power cord. This is 0.5, size is 0.5 millimeter. Clear color cord. And this is just freshwater pearls in different shapes and sizes. Okay. So then I'm going to put my elastic through the end of the chain and tie a knot here. Okay, and then I'm going to come to the other end. Cut this side. Let's see if I can put this through the knot through this bead. Yeah, no. Pearls usually have really small hole sizes unless you buy the one with the big holes. And that's what I have here, the one with the small size. The 0.5 mm goes through just fine, but it just doesn't hide the knot. This side is a little tricky because you want to make sure that it's not leaving too much elastic. I gotta redo this here, guys. Okay, let's redo this. Okay, go through this, make sure that it's tight. You gotta come right in here. Okay. Oh, not good. There. Perfect. Okay. So we're gonna keep doing that. This part is actually taking longer than making the bracelet itself, but we're almost there. Okay. All right, so we're gonna do a couple more knots here. Dog is looking out the window and he's ready to bark at something there. Okay, let's see. Okay. I think we have it pretty good there, but let's make just one more set of knots because I want this to be secure. One, and then we'll go. Two. Okay. Okay. All right. So that took a little bit of time to get the second knot done. Let's just check to make sure that it's gonna stay on okay. See, it looks really cute. Okay. So I'm gonna stretch it out to make sure that it's not gonna loosen the knot. So yeah, that's it. That looks pretty good. I'm going to cut off the access cord, and there you have it. All right guys, that's all I have. See you on the next video. Bye.